guys! It's Aaron. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, andito kami ngayon sa Boracay. Celebrating the New Year. Ngayon, lalabas ako ng hotel. So, it's almost 12 o'clock. So, magpuputukan na. Pero I'm not really sure kung mayroong putukan dito sa Boracay. Yung husband ko, still sleeping. Mukhang ayaw na niyang magpagising. But, si Arya, pati yung in-laws ko, nasa baba na. So, let's go. Ayan. So, I'm using my new camera. This is the, anong tawag dito sa camera na to? I forgot. Yung maliit lang siya. DJI Osmo Pocket. So, naka-check-in kami ngayon sa Crown Regency dito sa Station 3, and we'll be spending 9 days here in Boracay. Ayan. So, I know a lot of you guys are waiting for my videos, and I took a break. I think I took like 2 weeks break, and ayun, just, you know, wanted to get some rest for a while before maging busy na naman with work. Okay, so you guys, we'll go down. Okay. So this is the Station 3. This is our hotel. So, this is the Crown Regency, Station 3. Ayan. So, medyo maingay. I think we're having a countdown also here. Yeah. There. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's 7 minutes before 12. So, ngayon, hanapin natin sila. Arya. Parang nakita ko na sila. Ayun. Sa dulo. Arya! 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 So, it's Thursday today, and nag-bar kami sa well, hindi naman ng New Year. I think parang a few days after New Year, went to and then sa sobrang maigpit naman sila doon. Like, they ask for your QR, they ask for like temperature check before ka pumasok, and then namulat ako, and then may mga contact tracing keme ganyan. So okay naman, and then 2 days after that nag-start na yung scratchy throat, ganyan, and then parang ubo-ubo na, ganyan. Tapos hindi naman ako naglagnat ng sobra, parang 1 night lang ako nilagnat ng as in parang grabeng lagnat. Yung body pain, yung sobrang grabe yung body pain talaga. Ayun. And then, buti na lang dito sa Boracay, madaling makahanap ng mga medicine, no? Maraming generic, ganyan. Meron ding mga biogesic, bioflu. Ayan, so bumili kami, then nag-take kami regularly.
Ako, meron din ako Robitussin, ganyan. Strepsils, warm baths, ganyan. And then, now, as in parang 3 days ata, na diretso na ang sumasama ng pakaramdam namin. So, yung mother-in-law ko, yung father-in-law ko, okay lang sila. Si Arya, okay lang din si Arya. So, kaming tatlo. Ako, husband ko, tsaka yung sister-in-law ko yung medyo alangan. Pero ngayon, wala na kaming, like, wala nang fever. Nakapag-swimming na uli ako sa dagat kanina. So, kung ano man yung meron kami, I know na pagaling na kami ngayon. Iba na yung maayos na yung pakaramdam namin. Not like the first 3 to 4 days. Grabe talaga.
So, nakauwi na kami, finally. Arya staying with my in-laws. So, nandun siya sa kanyang lolo at lola. And then, kami dito sa house. So, now, well, feeling ko parang pagaling naman na kami. Kunti na lang, meron na lang akong ubo. Pero meron pa rin akong sore throat. Yung husband ko nag-uubo-ubo pa din. And then, si Arya actually, before we leave Boracay, nagkaroon din siya ng fever. Pero parang pagaling naman na din. But I still wanted to make sure, no? So, this is the home test kit that I got. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan. Wait lang. Ayan. So, ito, nakita ko mayroong nag-post nito dun sa group, FB group. At actually, nakikita ko yun siya sa TikTok. So, this one is the Joysbio brand. And so, Joysbio na brand. Actually, nakita ko na to sa Watsons. Tapos, out of stock siya nung tingnan ko online sa mismong website ng Watsons. Pero they have this. Well, I'm not sure kung FDA may mga ganong keme. Pero this is what I saw. And then, you can also check the Watsons website. Nandun tong mismong brand na to. So, this is the kit, parang yung palette niya. Yung parang, I think ito bata yung parang kagaya ng sa like pregnancy test. And then, this is the swab. And then, I have here yung kanilang tube. Here. And then, I also have, ito yung parang, I don't know what they call this, but ito yung solution na nilalagay. So, nanood na ako ng maraming YouTube videos on how to do it. And sabi nila, the most effective way to do it, lalo na with the new variant, which is the Omicron, is to swab yung tonsils and the back of the throat first instead of the nose kasi una siya doon. And kami naman, before ako nakaramdam ng anything, it's the sore throat that happened first. And then until now, mahirap pa rin ako lumunok. No? So, that's what I'm gonna do. Set up ko lang siya and then balikan ko kayo. Bawal tumama sa ngipin, sa tang. Kailangan sa tonsils lang. So, bahala na si Batman. Ay. Sobrang namamaga yung tonsil ko eh. Oh, yan. And then, drop ko na siya here. And I think, parang kailangan mo atang mag-wait ng ilang, like 15 minutes. Oh, meron na. Got one line. It's negative. Ayan. Ayan. So, kung naghahanap kayo ng mga ganitong test, I think much better pa din if you get it on sa credible source. I can't share kung saan ko binili kasi they are just a reseller and supplier sa mga big companies na nagsusupply nito, and then hindi na ako makabili ulit kasi out of stock na. So, ayun, I suggest
this one that I got, meron sa Watsons mismo. You can check their website, Joysbio, meron sila doon. Naka out of stock lang siya, pero I suggest you, like, click nyo lang yung wait list para ma-notify kayo kapag naging available na siya sa website. And then, check nyo na rin doon yung, punta na rin kayo sa mga branch, ganyan. And then, I guess, mas safe pa rin talaga if merong expert na magsaswab sa inyo para hindi kayo magkamali. So, yun lang guys. Stay safe, stay hydrated, take your vitamins, and don't go out. Lalo na kung hindi naman kailangan, no? Ang dami ng online shopping, online grocery ngayon. So, stay indoors as much as you can. And I hope you guys will become, really healthy. And sana wala na magkasakit. So, ayun lang guys. I'll see you guys on my next video. Magpapagaling lang muna ako. Don't forget to like, hit the notification bell, and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye!